I have a new reverse osmosis system from SimPure. I did one of these a while back. This is a new upgraded version. This is the Y7T series, or Y7T-BW-A. It looks like they have a BW-A and a BW-C. I have not looked into what the difference is between those two. I have been asked in the past if I would do an unboxing when it comes to some of these larger units like this one. So inside we got our user manual. We have our tray. Lots of styrofoam as usual. And then we have our unit. That's a big box for a unit. And then one difference with this one compared to the last one I did is that this one actually comes with a glass carafe. I like that. Or a pitcher, not a carafe. But yeah, it's got a, let's see, before using the pitcher, make sure to rinse the filter cartridge to ensure optimal filtration, blah, blah, blah. So this actually has a filter in it. Now this one says rinse the filter cartridge. Step 1, turn the lid clockwise until the filter cartridge comes out. All right, so we turn clockwise and pull it out. So we got it out. For first time use, soak the filter cartridge in tap water for 10 minutes and rinse each side of the filter cartridge under running tap water for 1 minute and then insert it into the correct position. So while we're working on this, I'm gonna go ahead and get this rinsed and we're gonna get it soaking. And I'm just gonna soak it in its own pitcher. All right, now for opening up the main unit here. And this one's only rated for 30 watts of power usage. So the production rate is up to 100 gallons per day, and the filter life expectancy is 528 gallons. And we should find the filters back here behind the water reservoir, so it's just like the other system. When you go to replace them, you just pop it out, just twist it, and they'll just pop right down, and then you can put a new one in. Now this is going to be your main reservoir that you are going to fill up. Now the way that these systems do work is that they do purge the water. So they have 2 different chambers. The water will be purged back in. If you don't swap out the water, it will get dirtier and dirtier as it goes. It'll keep shooting the dirty water or the waste water into that chamber, and if it mixes in with the other, well, you're going to get more of those particles and everything else that it's filtering out. So when you go to refill this, you want to completely dump it out. Get rid of the wastewater that's going to be in there. Put all fresh water. All right, so I went ahead and filled it up. We're going to get this plugged in, and then I'll do a quick demonstration for you. I'll tell you how to set it up and how to work it. So I just figured out the differences of the models. They do say it right here. And so the BW-A, the 3rd stage filter, is an ALK filter cartridge, pH value adjusted filter. And then the Y7T-BW-C, the 3rd stage filter, is CTO filter cartridge, post-activated carbon filter. So the one that comes in this unit in particular is an ALK filter cartridge, pH value adjustment filter. Oh, I forgot we got this little tray here. Now when you first get this, you have brand new filters, you have to do a flushing. All right, so we'll go ahead and do the 36 ounce dispensing. And this right here is why you want to flush any filter that you get before you actually drink out of it. All right, so we're just about finished here. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out this filter for the pitcher. Now we want to go ahead and dump this water out. We already know this water is not good to drink. It's got all the sediment, all that crap that's in the filters. But that's why you want to purge or flush any filter that you get, whether it's like a hose adapter one or for your fridge. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get another 36 ounce started on this one to fill up the pitcher. So fast forward a week, I actually got distracted and sidetracked and really busy and forgot to finish this. But we have been using it for a few days. Right now, I do have 18 ounces dispensing into the pitcher. What I really do like is that this one actually did come with the pitcher, which also has the extra filter, which is more for taste quality. All right, just like that, we could have pure, clean, fresh filtered water. It's filtered first with the reverse osmosis filters. We got the CO and the CF. And then you have your filter on your pitcher, which will enhance the flavor and clean it a little bit more. And you could easily take this and go throw it in your fridge, and now you got nice cold water. But if you're looking for a pretty good countertop reverse osmosis system, this one's from SimPure. It's the 2nd one I've tried of theirs. They work really well. You don't have to worry about any kind of plumbing or anything, and the filters have a decent amount of life on them. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.